Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are improving in your studies. If so, glory be to the Most High. So today I'll tell you about relative pronouns. Relative pronouns are used to relate or link adjectival clauses to the words. Say, nouns or pronouns they qualify. Examples are who, that, what, whom, whose, and which. Whom and who are used for persons only, while which and whose are used for both persons and inanimate things. Again, whenever whom occurs in a sentence, it does so as an object. It is never used as a subject. Examples include girls who have dressed properly will be given seats. This means that not all the girls will be given seat, but only those that have dressed properly. Other examples are the cap, which I often wear, was given me by my late father. The book that is abridged is the one I want you to read. The windows whose louvers are broken are going to be repaired.
Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share.